Today we are going to be making risotto. It is probably one of the most easiest side dishes that you could possibly make to add to any one of your Italian dishes. And it's going to be quick and easy in 18 minutes, guaranteed. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Today we're going to be making risotto, and if you're not familiar with risotto, it's very similar to the American rice. Italians use it as a main meal for most of the times when they cook with it. They might have it as a side with some chicken or shrimp, and it's just very, very versatile, and you can add all kinds of vegetables in it too. But today we're just going to make a plain version of risotto, and guaranteed cooked in 18 minutes, and I'll show you how to do that. First thing we want to do is we want to get some chicken broth or vegetable broth, heat it up, because we want to work with hot broth adding to our rice. We don't want it cold, otherwise it brings the temperature of the rice down. So we want to start heating that up. So I've got mine nice and hot, and now I'm going to get ready to toast my risotto. So to start, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of butter, add it to my pot, and we just want to get that melted. So now that my butter is melted, I'm going to add my chopped onions, and I've got about half of a chopped onion. And we just want to saute this until it's translucent. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to add 1½ cups of arborio rice, and this is a very short grain rice. So arborio rice is a short grain rice, and it's traditionally used with risotto because it has amylopectin, which is a starch, which gives you that starchy creaminess when you have your bite of a risotto. And we want to toast this because this is going to toast the outside, and it's going to help bring that creaminess when we start developing that as we add the broth. So you just want to give it a quick stir. Give it about a minute or two just to kind of toast up a little bit, and you'll kind of smell the toasting of the rice, and that's exactly what you want. As soon as we add our first liquid in 18 minutes, we know it'll be ready. So I've got hot liquid here. I'm going to add a spoon at a time. And for the first time, we'll probably want to add a couple spoons worth. And we can see it's nice and liquidy. And we just want to keep stirring until most of the liquid is evaporated, and then we want to add a couple more spoons, stir, and just keep adding till your timer goes off at 18 minutes, and it will be ready. You should use anywhere from 4 to 6 cups of broth. What will vary is the evaporation, whether you need more or less, but no more than 6, but at least 4. Okay, so I just added the last of my broth. According to my timer, I have 1 minute left. So the last minute of cooking, I want to add the last tablespoon of butter. I want to add a cup of Parmesan cheese. And I just need to stir to incorporate everything. And then I will taste for salt. You want to make sure you taste for salt after you add the Parmesan cheese, because the Parmesan cheese is salty in itself. So you might not need more salt, but you never know. Now adding that Parmesan cheese and the butter, you can see now how beautifully and creamy it is. And as promised, risotto is done in 18 minutes. And then we can take our risotto and we can garnish with just a little bit more parsley if we want. So now I'm going to taste the risotto, and it's very, very creamy. I love it. This is a great accompaniment to all your side dishes. And if you don't know what side dish to add this to, go ahead and check out this next video, and it would be a great accompaniment for it. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.